Hello, welcome back to our channel, and if you're new here, welcome. This is Fandom NY. We're glad to have you here. For today's video, I'll be making a beautiful setup and using this backdrop. It's a Chiara backdrop or Chiara, however you pronounce that. It's a 3-set, and this is coming from ubackdrop.com. All the materials that we use here will be in the description down below. Please check that out. Alright, so it's time to open up our backdrop right here. So this is our 3-set of all backdrop. Comes in a bag, 3 separate bags right here. So the sizes are 3 by 5, 3 feet by 6, and 3 feet by 7 feet. So these are alloy. It's very light and it's very nice and sturdy. Okay, and it's all numbered right here, so you just have to match the numbers. Okay, it's easy to set up. And one thing, it came in a bag that's easy to carry around. And again, if you want to visit their website, please go to www.ubackdrop.com. They have a lot of selections out there to choose from. Once again, if you need to use our code, please use our code, which is FEMBEM10 at ubackdrop.com to get a 10% discount. So today I'm going to show you how to install the smallest one since we're indoor. So this is 3 by 5 feet, 3 feet by 5 feet tall. They're numbered right here, so we have this is attached, so you just have to connect them, lock them in place. And then pair this one as well. Lock this in place. It's numbered, so number 3 you follow. That's number 2. So 2 and 2 you matched it. And then this one matched the 4 and 4. And there you go, that's it. It's easy to install. So you have 3 different sizes. So this is the smallest one, and then there's 2 other backdrop stands. So it comes with a cover. So you can actually buy this with cover or without cover. So for this particular one, we have the cover, and you can choose the cover, like one color on the front, and then on the other side you can pick any color. So you can customize. Alright, so this time we'll put the cover. Alright, they're finally done. We have all 3 backdrop right here, arch backdrop. So they're really nice and sturdy. The only thing that you have to remember when you put this on, you really have to pull it down, all the way down and stretch, so you won't have a hard time putting the zipper right here. But other than that, it's nice and sturdy, easy to assemble, and now we're ready to decorate this. Alright, so for safety reason, you put this right here. Just so if it's windy outside, this will stay. It'll support your backdrop stand. So now we will decorate this with balloons. The colors that we'll be using here is behind me. We have white, we have pink, rose pink, and metallic gold. So the sizes of the balloon we use here are 5, 9, 11, 16, and few of them are 18 inches. So we'll inflate them. I'm going to show you how to make balloon clusters using this sizes that we have here. So we have 16 and 11 inches. Just like that. Put this on the side. So this is going to be an organic balloon cluster, so it doesn't have to be the same size on how you inflate your balloon. just like that, we're making balloon cluster. So you just twist this, intertwine, then add this. Alright, just like that, there's your balloon cluster. So what you're gonna do is grab another color or another pink, and then we'll connect this using the neck of one of your balloon. You attach them. The neck here, attach them. There you can see. You can always turn it around. So this is your cluster of balloon. So now I'm gonna show you how I inflate the bigger balloon. So I use this rubber band, or some people they use balloon 260. For more economical, you can use a rubber band. This is 18, I believe. Just like that. And then you use your rubber band. I tied it on here. So this will be easier to attach on your garland later. Just like that. So we'll inflate our 5 inches balloon. We'll be using our inflator right here. If you wanna get one of this inflator, please visit our Amazon storefront. It'll be in the description down below. So I set this to 1.0, so it'll be like around 4 inches if you're using the balloon sizer. So again, you want to grab one of the nozzle or balloon end and then tie them together. There's your 5 inches clusters. Okay. So now we have the first cluster right on the floor. Now we'll connect the 2 clusters here for both. Again, you want to use neck to neck. So once it's connected, you can always like turn it around like whichever way you like it. So that's okay. So I'll connect it here. So again, you grab one of your neck right here and one of the neck here from the base. You connect them. To continue on, you can always turn this around if you want, like that, like that. So now connect the other collar until it gets longer and longer. There, so as you can see, it's all connected. So this might be perfect size for our arch. So we'll continue on outside. So this is the one that I made. Our clusters of balloon or garland. Put this in here. So I use the rubber band. Put it in here, just like that. Or you can use 260Q or 260 balloon. So we'll put this one on this side. Again, use your rubber band.
Here are the base of the
Your
balloon.
balloon. Yep, like that. Alright, so we can put the cluster balloon right here. So we'll add this one. I use the end of the balloon. So I use this rubber band right here as well. Or as I said, you can use 260 balloon. So it's not going nowhere. Add more balloons. So these are the bigger balloons. As you can see. So we'll put one on this side as well. Add this one. Alright, so we'll make that a little thicker. Alright, so we need to add some fillers with the rubber band. Alright, so now we'll attach this. So this is actually one of our blogs from one of our blogs, so I added some more detail to it. So we'll attach this on that corner. So I'll use some zip tie, put it on the back. Alright guys, this is finally done. I hope you like this and learned something from this video today. Once again, this beautiful backdrop is from newbackdrop.com. Use our code FANDOM10 to get a 10% discount. If you like this and learned something from this channel, please give us a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel, and once again, FANDOM NY will see you guys in the next video. Take care and have a wonderful day. Thank you.